So today what we're going to do is we're going to start by taking a look at this website. I will provide this link on the main web page for the course for this lesson. So this is going to be under 9.1, and any lesson that uses a TVM solver to help us find the solution to a problem. So now let's go and take a look at the TVM solver by actually taking this link and copying it into our Google Chrome. So now when you copy it into Google Chrome, you're going to get to this page, Financial Calculators, okay? Now, you'll notice you're going to have to make sure that the mode is set to end, right? And what we need, this TVM calculator literally does all of this information right here. It goes and takes our A, our P, and our compounding periods N, and our interest rate. Now, for this problem here, okay, all we really have to do is say what our annual interest rate is, okay? So when we're looking at question A here, it says how much interest will he earn in a month from October to September. Now, it says we have 0.25% interest per year. Now, here's how we do this. If you take a look at our present value, we put $500 for our present value because that's what we own. Now, the reason why it is positive is because we own that money, okay? That is money that we keep. Any money that we give away, we have to say it's a negative number, right? So let's go and do the next thing here. So now, for our future value, we don't know. We don't know what the payments are. We do know what the annual interest rate is. Now, the annual interest rate we said was 0.25%. So we're going to write 0.25. And instead of saying that this is compounding monthly, we're going to compound this daily. And the number of compounding periods for part A is 31 plus 30, which is 61 days. Now, we have all the information that we need. The computer will go and calculate this part here for our I value, punch it into the equation. It'll also put in the 500 and the exponent of 61. And we should get, we should figure out what our future value is. Now, to calculate the future value, all you have to do on this thing is to click the button called future value. And there it is. So in this case, the bank has to give you $500.21. Isn't that what we expected? Okay, so now let's go and do it for B. So we are good. All right, so now let's do this again for B. So for the number of compounding periods for B is 365 because we're going to spend an entire year doing that compounding. So we're going to put 365 this time. And now we're going to click the future value again, and we'll check to see if we get the right answer. 501.25. Boom. Perfect answers. And that's how we use our TVM calculator. We can also use it to calculate payments if we ever wanted to. Okay? You could actually, that's what this PMT thing is. That's for calculating mortgages. As long as you know what the starting value is, the annual interest rates, and the compounding periods, and you're good. Okay, so there we go. That's it. Let's move on to the next question of the day.